Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said nah lock down the country although the COVID-19 case them a go up. Some report come out say the number of picnic who catch COVID-19 who they at the Bustamante Hospital for Children's a go up. One fisherman get shot and dead and 3 others man get shot in a St. James Saturday night. The West Indies are lead 1-0 in a them ODI series against Ireland after them beat them by 24 runs at Sabina Park Saturday. Now for the full tour of them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said nah lock down the country although the COVID-19 case them a go up. The Prime Minister said nah go back pan why him say 2 months back and people must go and go take the vaccine. Him said the government did prepare for and expect for one 4th wave right after the Christmas season. On top of that, Holness put one zone of special operations in a Parade Gardens where they in the Kingston Central Police Division. The Prime Minister did attack our press conference where keep at Jamaica House yesterday morning. Some report come out say the number of picnic who catch COVID-19 who they at the Bustamante Hospital for Children are go up. Up to yesterday, 32 picnic did there at the hospital. 14 test positive for the virus, 16 there by themselves, and them think 2 other picnic have it. Last week, the chief medical officer said them has see the highest number of picnic in a hospital from the pandemic start. On top of that, Dr. Melody Ennis, who run family health service in the Ministry for Health and Wellness, says some talk can make for picnic who age from 5 to 11 can take the vaccine. The Mandeville police said them charge one thief who security catch a broke in a one shop on Saturday, January 8th. The man, a 33 years old Zane Brown, who people call Brains, who come from Old England district in Manchester. According to the police report, around 6 p.m., the smaddy who run the store lock up and go home. Around 6:30, she get one call say smaddy broke in at the shop. When she reached, she sees a Brown broke through one window and some security who walk on the plaza catch him. Police lock him up and charge him for breaking a smaddy shop and one court data set for him. One fisherman get shot and dead and 3 other smaddy get shot in a St. James Saturday night. The dead man a Chadwick Brown who people call Simple who come from Lilliput in a St. James. According to the police report, around 8 p.m. some people did sit down in a one bar when gunman shot them up. 4 people did get shot and people rush to them go hospital where Brown dead. The police said them are looking at what going. One security guard who work with the mining company Gisco dead in a one car accident on the Stevens Run Main Road near 9 St. Elizabeth Friday. The dead man, a 34 years old, Ron Dunkley. According to the police report, around 7:20 p.m., the driver of one bus did a go junction when him overtake one truck and crash in a Mr. Dunkley car. People rushed with Mr. Dunkley and the 2 other smaddy who dey on the bus go hospital and Dunkley dead. Now for sports. The West Indies are lead 1-0 in a them ODI series against Ireland after them beat them by 24 runs at Sabina Park Saturday. West Indies bat first and them make 269 runs in a 48.5 overs. Ireland did have to make 270 runs to win and them get bowled out for 245 runs in a 49.1 overs. People, remember the curfew are from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.